of Anastasia? And the answer for that question is Trellos. The topic for today's devotion is Trickles into Velvet. Turn your Bibles to Psalm 102 verse 6. Psalm 102 verse 6. I am like a desert owl, like an owl among the ruins. Wow! It's getting hot in here. We're hiking through the desert. It's starting to get dark. Do you hear that whirring sound? Wait, look! The owl is diving towards the ground. It got something in its mouth. Wow! Amazing! It caught a mouse in the dark. Wait, owl! You're going to run into the... It flew right into the cactus. I didn't mean it ran into the cactus. It flew right inside the cactus. If you read today's verse, you'll know that I'm talking about the desert owl. Many desert owls live in the cactus when it's really hot. And the best part is that the owls don't need to carve out their home. Some woodpeckers do this. Imagine being inside of something so sticky and prickly. Ouch! Do you know that the desert owl is closely related to more widespread bunny owl? It breeds in Israel, Egypt, Jordan, and in the Arabian Peninsula. It lives in rocky ravine, semi-desert, desert, and palm groves. The call of the desert owl is similar to the Eurasian collared dove. They also recycle woodpecker holes as nesting spots. If a predator nears them, they make barking sounds, clap their bills, and play dead if they are caught or cornered. Sometimes people are tricky and sticky. They hurt others on purpose. Jesus wants you and me to fly right into their hearts and be kind. Fly right into the hearts of the pricky people with your wings of kindness. Let God use you to make a pricky person smooth as velvet. Now everybody, it's question time. The first question for today is, the desert owl was formerly known as, and the second question for today is, which is the smallest desert owl? Put your answers in the comment section below. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe and hit the notification bell near it so that you won't miss any of these videos.